society is completely dependent on electronic communication devices in order to make our world go round. From running our businesses, paying bills, and entertaining our minds, nothing in this world happens without it. That means without our electronic devices, our world as we know it would virtually collapse. There had to be a solution to the madness of not having constant portable power available for all our electronic devices. So, we brought you SparkWire. SparkWire is an electronic cable power charging device with integrated battery holder holster that allows the user to have unlimited portable electrical power anywhere, anytime. The holster allows for batteries to be inserted directly into the inline battery holders, allowing instant access to portable electrical power. Using either alkaline or rechargeable batteries. Simply insert and remove batteries as needed to stay fully powered anywhere, anytime, guaranteed. The power cable can also be used as a standalone cable without batteries when plugged to an electrical outlet in order to charge your electronic devices. SparkWire, the future for all your portable power needs and convenience. SparkWire.
A new era dawns to fill the void, an unfamiliar path with a pulse of its own, a tempo not dictated by the labor of men, but accelerated by the rhythm of machines, launching the world into an age of bold innovation. From this cauldron of steel and sweat, a vision of prosperity emerged. Harnessing the untold power of the elements, turning night into day, creating new designs that brought the world stage to the masses. Yet, some chose a different path, and through their vision brought unique perspectives to the world. As singular proponents of free thinking remained, striving for peace in their endeavors to unlock the secrets of the universe. Although mankind will always look onward, yearning for more, searching for new boundaries, only to break through them, with the understanding that this world is one in which we all share, comes the responsibility of knowing that the decisions you make today will have a lasting impact on the generations of tomorrow.
SparkWire.